Hello, thanks for joining me. I'm making this very quick video as a public service announcement, if you like, for new owners of Triumph Scramblers, because I want to address something which comes up with a very high level of frequency on forums, and that is a new owner of one of these bikes. They get the bike, and then they're doing some work on the bike, adding some accessories or maybe adding a battery tender lead. They disconnect the battery to do that, and then once they reconnect the battery, they switch the ignition on and they find that the service warning light comes on, what I call the yellow spanner of doom. And of course, you know, the natural reaction then is for them to worry that they've done something wrong, done some kind of damage to the bike. Well, most likely the case is, I would say 99.9% of times, the issue is quite simply that when you disconnect the battery, the ECU resets itself and it's reset the date. So all you need to do is go back into the menu on the bike and set the correct date for today's date, and then the service light will disappear. I'm holding the camera in one hand here, so I'm sorry if it's a little bit wobbly, but I just want to show you. So I've switched the ignition on, and then you need to press the menu button, which is on the right hand handlebar, this one down here. Press the menu button and it takes you into the menu, and then scroll down the menu using the toggle button on the left hand handlebar, which is, if it will focus, it's this one here, the toggle one underneath your indicator switch, and toggle down until you get to display setup. Press the toggle button in to go into that one, and then you either scroll down, or it's actually easier to scroll up because it just goes round in a cycle. Scroll up, and the very last item there is date. Again, press the scroll button in and it takes you into that menu, and you can see you can change the date format, but also you can set the year, the month and the day, and that should be set to today's date. So today is the 10th of February 2025, so on mine it's set correctly. If you find that it's not today's date, then that's almost certainly your problem. Change the date to that date, switch the bike off, switch it back on again, and your spanner icon should have disappeared. So very quick video. Hope you found that useful. Thanks for watching. Bye.